Recently, I took a trip to watch a fireworks show, but I forgot how muddy it is when it rains a little. I was stupid and wore my new Jordans and ruined them. So let's clean them up using the Crep Ultimate Sneaker Cleaner. The kit comes with a microfiber cloth, a bottle of the cleaner, and a brush to clean with. Make sure you use warm water if you use this kit. The kit says to add the solution to the brush directly, but I found later it's better to add it directly to the water. I thought for sure the stains wouldn't come off and didn't expect the results to be so good. I bought a box so I wouldn't make a mess, but forgot about the dirt spraying everywhere from me scrubbing with the brush. I used Q-tips and later off-camera toothpicks to get dirt out of the ladle spots where the brush couldn't get. Don't scrub too hard or you may damage the shoe. It seems like I'm scrubbing hard because it's sped up. Use the microfiber cloth at the end to dry and get rid of all the residue. The results are crazy. Look at the difference between the clean shoe and the other shoe that's not cleaned yet. I never expected results like this, and I can recommend the Crep Ultimate Cleaning Kit for dirty or stained shoes. Here is the results after I cleaned both. Thanks for watching and subscribe.